Once upon a time, in a sunny little garden, lived a curious girl named Lily. She loved asking questions, and her favorite place to think was under the big maple tree. One sunny morning, as a gentle breeze rustled the leaves, one little leaf twirled down and landed right on her nose. "Hello there," chirped the leaf. Lily blinked. "Wow, a talking leaf, of course." "I'm Leo," said the leaf, "and I see you're wondering about how we trees grow so big and strong." Lily's eyes widened. How do you do it? You don't eat anything." Leo chuckled, a sound like rustling leaves. "Oh, but we do. We just have a very special chef. Her name is Mother Nature, and our kitchen is the whole world. We call our special meal photosynthesis. Photo-sign-d-sys. Lily sounded out the word. "That's right," said Leo. "It's a big word for a simple recipe. First, our roots deep in the ground drink up water, just like you drink your juice. Then we breathe in a gas from the air called carbon dioxide. It's the same stuff you breathe out. So you breathe my air." Lily giggled. "We do." Leo wiggled. Then the most important ingredient arrives. Sunlight. Our green color, called chlorophyll, is like a tiny solar panel. It catches the sun's energy. We mix the water, the carbon dioxide, and the sunlight all together inside me and all my friends on the tree. "And that makes your food?" asked Lily, completely amazed. "Exactly. It creates a type of sugar that gives us the energy to grow tall, sprout new leaves, and even make yummy fruits for you to eat. And as a special thank you for the air you give us, we release a different gas called oxygen. That's the air you need to breathe to live and play." Lily looked up at the big maple tree with newfound wonder. "So you're like a giant, magical kitchen, turning sunlight and air into food for you and fresh air for me." "You got it," said Leo proudly. "We're all connected in this big, beautiful world. You help us, and we help you." From that day on, every time Lily saw the sun shining on the leaves, she would smile and wave, knowing the magical cooking lesson was happening all around her. She knew the trees were busy making their food and cleaning the air, all thanks to her new friend Leo. What a wonderful secret to know. Thanks for watching our story today. If you learned something new and enjoyed our adventure with Lily and Leo, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun stories. See you next time.